Alright, what's going on, you guys? So it is officially quote unquote day two. For those that don't know how I trade, basically the way to play how to pass combines and stuff in one day, you have New York session, which is considered one day, and then you have Tokyo session. That's when the day actually changes for the for the prop firms. Tokyo is considered a new day because obviously all the way in the world is somebody New York session, right? Um, but yeah, so it's so funny because by the time y'all seen this video, y'all probably won't even see this video until Friday. Originally, what I was going to do, I was going to make a series, like do day one video, and day two combined, and then y'all would have saw the whole progress of me starting my funded, and that whole me doing the whole thing with that. But instead, I decided that I was going to release the videos separately, just more smaller videos for y'all, for everybody to keep up, and then as more traction gains and more people are actually interested, then I'll get back into like the long form content as well, like longer, like my 15-20 minutes. But yeah, so it is officially day two. Um, I started the combine on Sunday night and Monday night, since it's technically I had to wait the whole New York, so I couldn't trade New York, of course. Monday night, Tokyo. This will be considered the second day. I took a fire trade on NQ. So without further ado, let's get into it. I'll show y'all the trade I took, what I saw, what I wanted to see, and what it looked like on the dashboard. It's crazy. This is literally my first. Obviously, my students, y'all not surprised. Y'all know what I do. But this is my first. This is my first combine on Lucid, so I'm excited to not combine, but this is my first past challenge. The first challenge I ever took on Lucid. I've never been on this platform before, never traded on it, and then I got straight into it. And I actually like the Tracy. Tracy actually fired for me to delete this real quick. Called a fire trade on Nas. Called a fire trade. I'm gonna show y'all the setup first, and then I'll show y'all the dashboard and stuff. Fire trade, man. So at first, market sold off, right? Market sold off at first. Got caught in the pullback. I think I tried to take like a quick scalp right here, or it was like somewhere down here. Somewhere I took a quick scalp. Market drop, and then as you can see, this was just disaster. It got choppy out of nowhere. Like I think, for those that don't know, like that 8 p.m. 9 p.m. time when the market actually wake up, that's when you see like at during Tokyo. That's when you see Nas get the moving for real, and that's exactly what happened. Like it was like a quick pullback right here. I caught the quick sell right here, and then it just kept getting choppy. I'm like, you know what? I'm not touching it. I'm not dealing with it. I'm staying out of it. I'm not dealing with it at all. I waited for the market to really, like at first I took one quick sell right here. This is the last sell I took. And actually, I want to actually replay. What I'm gonna start doing, like maybe for the funded, I'll actually start recording my setups, like as I'm trading it, or maybe I'll make that for like the premium members. I'll do something like that for y'all. But all right, so this is what I saw. Took sales here. My trailing head got hit, and then Nas ended up pushing back outside of the zone, like y'all just saw right there. And then I noticed that this was the area that it came back to retest was New York high. So I already was expecting sell-offs here. All I needed to see was like a retest. I'm like, all right, I like what I'm seeing for the sales, but I needed to really start creating lower highs. Or is this gonna be the time that Nas starts setting us up for that buy opportunity? And for those that know what I'm talking about, I gave y'all the setup on that in the market outlook video from Sunday. I talked about the inverted head and shoulders pattern that came. But as you can see, what started happening? Lower high started trending, created another lower high, started trending again, just following market structure. And it's another period that a lot of people like trading. I be telling people all the time, like that follows market structure. So my entry that I ended up taking was up here in this area right here. I think I got like one more pullback and then I entered. I want to say, I think it was like literally, I think it was like right around here, right in this area. This is where I took my sales at, right around here. And then as you can see, this was the actual official trade that I called in my Discord community. And this trade too, same trade was valid. I'm gonna speed this up a little bit so y'all can see. But as you can see, the rest is history. So this was stop loss above the high, and then as you can see, literally melted off back to the low. My target was literally back towards this structure right here. And then as you can see, it's currently melted. So this was TP1 that I already put in the chat anyway, and then this is TP2. Of course, what y'all want to see though, boom, officially passed the eval. I was wondering like how fast was it gonna do it? Was it gonna do it quick, or was it gonna take all day? But the moment I passed it, it immediately asked me that I want to upgrade to fund it. So I might wait. Well, I'm not gonna wait, but I'm probably gonna wait until New York session tomorrow. I don't think I'm gonna trade tonight because obviously this would have been the move that I wanted to take if I was going to trade tonight. And it's so crazy, bro. I don't know what it is. Actually, I can show y'all. Let me go to my trades. You see, I can see. Look how many trades I had to take. When I was telling y'all like the setups I was taking, so many scalpers and constantly getting whipped out. As you can see, like I took trade here and then here, and after that I said nope, I'm not dealing with choppiness. And then here, it finally started booming and getting to the point. So like I started and drawdown like an unnecessary trade. I lost 200, and then the trade after that it was like I think I lost like 5 or 3, and then I started flipping between my other pairs. So y'all know I trade gold during Tokyo as well. I need to actually test my chat right now. Let them know. 1 second, y'all. I'm over here. This is raw behind the scenes right here. Cause I'm over here. I gotta test my chat. Let them know. Both TPs officially smashed. If you're still holding, move trailing deep in profit. And the reason why I said that, so like y'all like, oh, why you say move trailing deep in profit? Because like you never want to pay yourself, right? Like you never want to have a crazy banger trade and then you just watch that jump fully reverse on you. Like for me earlier, it was the one of the setups I took right here. Like this sell setup right here, I really wanted to break this zone and go, but full reversal, right? Or like the setup that I wanted, the real move I wanted to see was the drop, but full reversal. Never turn your winner. Like let's say you caught this first breakout right here, and you just watch this jump slow down and just fully reverse back to your entry. You could have made 1,000 here, potentially took the buys here, and then took the sales. And that's me talking to myself too, because like in this scenario right here, that's exactly what happened. I had took a sell. I let my trailing get hit, I think like 1,000 or whatever, and then off the pullback, I'm like, all right, bet. I believe in the sell move. I'm gonna just re-enter, and then the rest is history. But the whole time, what I should have did was based on my strategy and how I know it worked. Once I saw it slowing down, the momentum dying, I should have just took buys right here, and off of this push right here, I could have passed the combine. Right, so that's cool. Beautiful trade overall. Love my performance. Love how I played it out. Next up in the next video, like I'm saying, I'm keeping these 2 videos short and simple. Next video, that's crazy because I'm gonna drop the first video on Wednesday, and then day 2 is probably gonna drop on Thursday, Friday. Maybe what I'll do with this one, maybe I'll drop them back to back. Maybe I'll drop these back to back, and then I'm gonna start recording the actual funded account journey. All right, that's cool. Bet. All right, y'all. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace out.